Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically, how quickly the screen will turn off after you stop using it. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the home button again to open the menu. In the menu, scroll all the way down and tap on the settings icon. Here, scroll down, find the option called display and brightness and tap on it. Now, of course, scroll down, find the option called sleep and tap on it. And right here we have a list of durations we can select. We have 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds and auto. Select the duration you like, for example 15 seconds, and then tap on the OK button to confirm. Then tap the check mark to confirm again. And as you can see, the sleep time is changed to 15 seconds. So now my screen will turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if we wait for a couple more seconds, it should turn off. Like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.